Hey everyone, I'm Brodie, and today I'll be showing you how to make Flash Chilled Espresso with the Picopresso and a whiskey ball. This method has been shown to capture or retain up to 40% more volatile aromas. So by doing this, we hope to unlock new flavors that you may not otherwise taste with a regular hot brew. Start by freezing your whiskey ball for at least 3 hours and then place it on your holder of choice. Here we're using a fresh drain filter. Grind up your favorite coffee for espresso. A fruitier, more vibrant roast tends to work best for this method, and prepare your Picopresso as you normally would. 18 grams in the basket, distribute for clumps, and tamp it down. Start pumping and be sure to hold your Picopresso high enough above the whiskey ball so that it gets an even coverage and thus even chilling. Holding it too close may cause the espresso to run down only one side of the ball. You can also profile other recipes by chilling only the first part of the extraction and pulling the rest hot, the regular way. Up to you. Remove the whiskey ball, rinse it off, and put it back in the freezer for your next brew. Let us know what you think of this method in the comments.